little trouble hearing you.
Yeah, your voice is not clear.
It's very static. Maybe it's your headphones.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah,
Here, let's see if I can fix that. So you can hear me fine?
yeah.
Okay. I'm just getting like a lot of noise in the background, but I'll try to work around it. Okay. So did you want to just practice having casual conversation today?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you want to start with something or did you want me to start?
You can start.
I can start?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's talk. So first of all, where are you from? Sorry, the audio keeps cutting out. I might ask you to type sometimes in the chat if I can't hear you too well. But where are you from again? Sorry.
I am from India. My name is Yadav.
Okay, cool. India. I've never spoken to anyone from India on here, so that's really cool. I'm from New York. So I'm from, the States. I was born and raised in New York, and I'm actually going to school in New York City right now. So what do you do?
I just completed
Okay, I only got like the last bit of that. I'm sorry. I wish I could like adjust. I can't adjust anything. That sucks.
Am I not audible?
I can hear you like a little bit when you speak up, but it sounds like a lot of like static, like in my ears.
Yeah,
Is
but
it?
very fast
Could it be your headphones?
Yeah, earphones, not headphones. Headphones, I have headphones, but I am not able to talk on headphones. That's why I'm not able
Okay. Let me see if there's something I can do on my end. Because I don't want to because I don't want to, waste your time or anything.
Try.
I can only hear like it like comes in and out. Ugh. I'm sorry. So that's for my side. And that makes it so you can't hear me. Okay. I'm just gonna try and speak up as much as you can for me if you can. Okay, so you're from India.
Yeah.
Let's see, what else? What are your hobbies? What are your interests? What do you like to do other than what you work for?
I just like to work out and after that
Okay.
I read general knowledge like recently I read that China five values on New Year. We
Oh wow.
track their values and after that completed China going on.
Oh wow.
So that I just want to learn English from anything, any different news, and I like to meet new people globally. That's why I am here on family because I want to know many different cultures, languages, people, my hobby just focus on learning create my content for my body. And sometimes if I want, I talk with my friends, family, and
Oh, that's great. I love that. Yeah, I've definitely had, I love like hearing the stories of like how people like came to Italy and are learning different languages because I've always wanted to like learn different languages. And I'm definitely gonna start using Cambly to, practice talking with other people because I feel like I've never had like the courage to go and try, but like seeing everybody else try is like making me want to try too. But yeah, you said one of your hobbies is working out, right?
yeah,
So yeah,
definitely.
I just started trying to work out again, I guess, because I just felt like, exercise is really good for like not only just like physical health, but like your mental health too. So I started getting into that again and by trying different classes of different stuff, not just going to the gym, like spin classes, like where you like ride the bike and like inside, and other classes like Pilates and stuff, which is really hard, but I like getting that challenge in.
Yeah, I like hard things uh, because just by reading books and news, I feel bored. Then after that, I must think about workout. Before workout, it's a main habit the procrastinate and postpone gym and workout. But having worked out, we feel very good and stress free, I can say. So yeah, I usually do it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like for me when I'm like working out, I'd like to have like something like someone showing me what to do rather than doing it by myself because then I don't feel like challenged. I want to like see what someone else is doing and then like try and like do the same thing, I guess you could say. But yeah, I really like having like an activity to be doing. So like taking classes for stuff, like even like dance classes, rather than just going out and like doing like cardio and like push-ups and stuff.
So you just teach on Cambly or you teach dance as well?
I don't teach dance. I don't I I'm taking some dance classes right now, even in like school and stuff, but I don't teach any of that. But it would be cool to if I ever get to that level. It would be cool to do something like that.
So you are just learning dance.
Yeah, I'm just learning. Like I know how to like pick up on like the choreography and like the dances, not too fast, not as fast as I would like to, but I'm getting there.
So do you want to be an actor?
An actor, yes, I do.
Wow, that's why you are doing all this stuff, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, we have like a class in our school that's like dance and we have to learn how to like use that um like I guess that strength that we use like physically with our body and like our acting too. So I guess it is pretty useful.
Yeah, while dancing, I think it feels good for our body. It feels a little bit relaxing, I think, if we dance.
Right. Yeah. It's good.
So, do you know swimming?
Swimming?
Yeah.
I I don't like swim all the time, but I like swimming, yeah. But mostly just like in pools, not like the ocean and stuff, because I don't like salt water too much. And I also don't like really, really cold water. I don't like being cold. So like if it's like warmer water, yeah. But I've never like done swimming like to learn how to swim like professionally.
Yeah, but I think no, to know swimming is good if sometime we get stuck like this situation. It may happen
Hmm.
in my life. and I know how to swim because I had in my village there was a canal.
Mm,
Do you know? Like river. So I used to swim there with my friend, uh, and that time it was very refreshing to know that we enjoyed a lot in uh, in that river, in that canal, and that's when I learned how to swim, and it is very enjoyable. And whenever I go to my village, then I go with my friend nowadays. Then I will go there. Yeah.
yeah, I think yeah, swimming is like so good. I think it's definitely good to like even help you like gain like strength too. Like being able to like swim over like the current of the water too. I think it's really good.
Yeah, and by learning swimming, sometimes we see that someone drown in river, then we can help other by swimming, I think.
Hmm. Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah. You said that you guys call it like you guys have a canal. Is that what you call it? Yeah. So we call it like river. I mean, we do say like canal, but I think it's only for like things with like specific names. But we do say river over here a lot.
Yeah, canal like river, but its name is a little bit different.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So, do you wanna say something about my English? Because I think my English not that much good.
I think I can understand your English really well, which I think is really good. So I can understand your English. I have this thing with people where I can tell. Where I was having this conversation the other day with people. Um, they were asking about accents and how they can if they should work on not sounding the way their accent makes them sound. And I think it's really unique when people do sound like that because I hear different accents every day living in New York, and I think like oh like people like asked if I like judge people based on their accent, but really I'm like questioning like oh that's a really unique accent like where are they from, and it's really like nice to hear a part of their culture like mixed in with the different language that they're learning. So I think that's really cool. I can definitely hear you have an accent, but obviously I wouldn't be able to tell what kind of accent it was unless you like told me. So I think that makes it really good that you are working to put those words and use those, I guess, like syllables and nouns into like what you are doing and how you are learning your English. So your English, obviously your English isn't bad because I'm having a full conversation with you right now. So it's not bad. But are you are you asking like what specifically do you want to get better at when you are learning your English?
Yeah, it seems to me that I need to work on pronunciation. That's why I asked you.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, right now, like obviously I can understand like what you're saying. I can't understand the pronunciation. Um, but honestly, yeah, if you honestly just like focus on, I guess, reading out like syllables too, like how am I saying syllables? Like the pauses in between words. Like usually, like I learned like when you like clap between words. So like if you were gonna say apple, it'd be like apple rather than like just apple. So I guess like doing that will help you with your pronunciation. Um, but other than that, honestly, I think you're doing really good. But obviously, everyone wants to continue practicing and continue getting better at that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Time
Have a
is up.
great day.